What is up guys? Maayong hapon, good afternoon sa lahat. So today's video we're talking about my experience on my first day being lowered, no. So I did not expect that this coil spring would be the one that is intended to be for the lowered method of doing the suspension, no. So this is the K Flex something. So this series pala is the one who is being used to have those slammed cars. So in layman's term here, it's tiis pogi, no. It's what we call in the car scene in the Philippines. It's called tiis pogi. So tiis pogi in the sense that it is very good looking. To be honest, not gonna lie, or I am pretty sure that everybody would agree to me that it really looks good on my car, or in general when it comes to lowered vehicles. It instantly makes it good looking. That's why we're gonna talk about it, because performance wise, yes, I agree that the handling is superb. When I say superb, I tried it in the highway, and when I was maneuvering with the traffic, it moves like water. It doesn't have body roll in my experience, no. The one when you flick it around, it doesn't have body roll. This car doesn't have some strut bars yet, but it definitely handled very well in weaving through traffic. So I did not try it pa on the canyon, or the, what do you call this, high speed cornering, though I am going to in the following videos. I am just what do you call this, I'm being acclimate to it. So in Tagalog, kiramdaman ko pa siya, no. I'm having the feel of it, because I don't know what it's capable of, and it's definitely a fragile part, because it makes your car so low that all the bumps in the road, it will be harmful for the suspension, no. So that is why I am being careful of it. Like here, a small fraction of bump will make you bottom out your suspension. That's why I am very careful of it just now, because as I said again, I'm feeling it pa. It's not that easy, because if you bump into something very big like a pothole, it will, okay, there was it. Aray. It will definitely, oh, what the fuck happened? Oh, there's a disgrasya, guys. Again, back to the topic. It definitely looks good, but in a perfect sense sa road, okay na okay siya, guys. Walang problema talaga pag perfect yung ng ating public roads, no. So walang problema. Napakasarap talaga sa handling pag lower yung car mo, dahil yung center of gravity of the car is very low, so you're being glued down to the road, no. So very nice. So number one enemy of this suspension is the bumps of the road. For example, our subdivision has a very bump, so I can go, but I have to do it so slow. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Hopefully you find this video interesting, and thank you all for watching. Bye bye.